guys, while I'm doing my studying, my office is just next to my bedroom, and I realized, oh, there's so many stuff in here. So I'll show you the before and after. So I went to Kmart today and bought this like a little shelf. So I'll show you guys. This is only for $45. $45 for this. And in here in Australia, you buy something like a shelf, a bookshelf, you have to buy it unassembled, so you have to assemble it yourself. So this is that the right way?
Yep.
So that's how it looks like, and we will unbox this. So good luck. I think I need a screwdriver. Oops, did I just break that? So it's heavy as. So this is from Kmart. Oh my god. So I hope this is, it's very sturdy. 10 kilograms. 10 to 16 kilograms. This one. So many plastic. Because I have a lot of books and it's just everywhere, so this makes my desk a bit organized. Now, where's the instruction? Look. How do you? Instruction machine.
No instructions.
Huh?
No instructions.
It should be have an instruction.
There's enough memory.
It's not even recording. Gosh!
There, go.
Stop wiggling! Good.
Other fingers.
Sugar. Where's crooked? Where's the Digo?
We're not up there yet.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
Do you? I don't think that's. That's it, guys. My Kmart bookshelf. No, you're gonna hold that and video me.
Which one's chair? You want to take a photo? Yeah.
So this is the end product. My little office. So here we go. Very compact and small and just looks nice. $45 guys from Kmart. There you go. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.